Let's take a live look at the HRBT now. We are working to make your everyday commute a little easier. Traffic anchor Bethany Reese joins us with what you need to know about construction slowdowns across our area.
When it comes to construction changes across our viewing area, we'll be okay for the most part. There's no big changes. We do still have overnight closures happening in places like the HRBT, the 264-64 Interchangement Improvements Project, and the 64 Expansion Project down in Chesapeake. The only big changes that might affect you are up on the peninsula. In Newport News, expect some closures on Denby Boulevard between 7 a.m. and 5 p.m. Now, this is during the middle of the day. Luckily, it's not a huge closure. They're not closing the entire road. There'll just be workers out there stopping you from time to time if you're traveling out that way. Same story if you're in Williamsburg near the Lightfoot exit on 64. When you get off on Lightfoot, you'll see the same thing. Crews out there stopping you, letting them work on the road a little bit, and then letting you go. Those are the only major changes. The rest of our viewing area doing well. Just expect those overnight closures. They happen between 8 p.m. and 5 a.m. during the week. Back to you guys.
Bethany, thank you. You can catch Bethany's traffic reports live every morning on Daybreak from 4:30 to 7.